Welcome back. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to set up your Roku account and enable the developer options inside your free Roku account. To publish your channel on the Roku streaming network, you need to have a free Roku account and the developer options enabled inside that account. Let me show you how to do that. Go to developers.roku.com and click Sign In on the upper right side of the monitor. If you already have a Roku account, you can sign in and enable the developer option. If you don't, you need to click on Create Account. The sign-up process is easy and fast. You just need to provide some basic information. Going forward, this setup process is easy and fast. First, you need to enroll in the Roku Developer Program. You need to provide some basic information to enroll in the Roku Developer Program. You can join the developer program as an individual or company, and after you fill in the data, you just click on Continue. You'll arrive at the Roku Partner Payouts Program page. If you intend to monetize your channels using ads and ad feeds, you need to enroll in the Roku Payouts Program. The process is relatively easy, but it can take a little time to get approval. So if you intend to monetize your channels, it's recommended to click on Yes and submit the required information. You are required to submit your tax information. This information will be used by Roku only if your channels are monetized using Roku's ads network. If you don't want to join the program now, click later. You'll arrive at the Roku developer dashboard and your account is set up and the developer option is enabled. You also need to link a Roku device to your account to publish a channel. It can be a Roku-enabled TV or any of the available Roku devices. You can start creating and publishing channels. See you in the next video.